Hello everyone, myself Tejas Sangrami from Civil Department, second year student of Tulangi Backward Party, College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In this video, you will see Pascal law. So Pascal law states that the pressure or velocity of pressure in static field are seen in all directions. Let us consider triangular shape element having a triangle ABC is equals to theta. The forces acting on fluid elements are Fx is equals to Px into dy into 1. Fy is equals to Py into dx into 1. Fs is equals to P of x into ds into 1. These are all forces in x direction. Summation of f of x is summation of f of x is equals to 0. Then f of x minus fs cos theta. Then put the value of f of x and f of s, px into dy into 1 minus ps into ds into 1 into cos theta. From figure, cos theta is equal to dy upon ds, dy is equals to ds cos theta. P of then put the value of dy in the equation 1. P of x into dx cos theta minus P of s into ds cos theta. Then we will get ps is equal to ps. Then resolve all the forces in y direction. P of y into d of x into 1. P of s into ds into 1 into sin theta. Self-weighted elements is half into dx into dy into rho into z. Summation of f of y is f of y minus fs sin theta. Put the value of f of y and f of s. P of y into dx into 1 minus p of s into ds into 1 into sin theta half is equals to half into dx into dy into rho into g. Sin theta is equals to dx upon ds is equals to ds sin theta. We of put the value of those are in equation 2. P of y into ds into sin theta minus ps into ds sin theta is equals to 0. Then we get py is equals to ps. From equation 1 and 2, px is equals to py is equals to ps. Hence 2. Thank you.